What's up guys, Andrew here, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to check your booking analytics on Wix. Now once you log into your Wix account, all you have to do really is look to the left hand side and here you'll find the booking calendar. Now once you hover over that, you will see more options as you can see, and you'll be able to find the booking analytics. So you click on that and this is going to show you your analytics for bookings. As you can see right here, you can see the last 30 days, but you can also change this, as you can see, you can filter whatever you want. So you can do the last 30 days, 7 days, 14 days, 90 days, last 365 days. And as you can see, you can go down and even do more different filters as you can see right here. So this so you'll be able to filter your booking analytics. As you scroll down, you have more details that you can dive into as well and see even your traffic sources and all those different things that comes in right here, your booking sales, your bookings that you have and all of those things. And here you have classes, but you also have appointments that give you a slightly different view to what you actually see in terms of the data. And so that's it, guys.